The modal verbs may, might are mainly used in two ways. Number one, possibilities. They can be used when a certain thing or event is more likely to be possible or less likely to be possible. And number two, permission. We use verbs such as may and might to ask for and give permission. Now you might be wondering, if both the modal verbs are used in these two ways, then which one to choose? To clarify it, let's understand each of them one after the other. Number one, possibility. May applies to situations that are more likely to be possible, while might applies to situations that are less likely to be possible. Suppose this is a line showing the possibility. If there are 70-80% chances of something happening, we use may. While if there are 30-40% chances of something happening, we use might. Please note that there is no written rule for percentages. For the understanding of the concept only, I have used it. Let's look into the examples of may to understand it better. Jack may be coming to see us tomorrow. Here, there are higher chances of Jack coming, so we have used may. Let's look into the next example. As she could not sleep yesterday, she may be tired today. Here, there are higher chances of her being tired, so we have used may. Let's look into examples of might to understand it better. We might make a stop along the way. Here, there is less possibility of stopping, so the modal verb might is used. The woman looks as if she might be in her late 40s. As we are not very much sure about the woman's age, but we have just made a tentative guess, we used might. Please note, might is the past form of may. So, if we are talking in past, then we use might regardless of the degree of possibility. For example, I thought I might go to the gym. Here, we cannot use may as we are talking about the past possibility. Please remember this. Now, let's look into the next usage of may and might. Number 2, permission. To ask for permission, we use may or might. But may is more formal and polite, while might is more casual and less polite. Let's look into examples of may. May I go to the restroom? Here, a student is asking for permission from the teacher, so may is used here. Let's look into one more example. May I borrow the car tomorrow? Here also we have used may. Let's look into examples of might. Might I ask for a favor? Here a friend is asking to another friend, as it is more casual, so we used might here. Let's look into one more example. Might I ask when the movie starts? Here also might is used for casual conversation. While giving permission, we use may. For example, you may go now. He may not go to the movie tonight. So these are the uses of may where we are giving permission. In general, we should use may for asking or giving permission as it is more formal. Apart from the two usages of may, it is also used to express a wish. For example, may you live long. May success attend you. Here we have used may to express a wish. So this is one more use of may apart from the two usages. And these are the two possible ways in which we can use the modal verbs may or might. Now I am providing you an exercise to practice. Here you need to choose the correct modal verb between may and might. The examples are: if you prepare well for the exams, you might get good grades. He said he might go. May or might I drink water, madam? May or might the new year brings you happiness? Please message me the correct answers in the comment. I will be waiting for your reply. That's all in today's video. Let's quickly revise what we learned in this lesson. At the beginning of the video, I asked you a question. Which sentence is correct? As there is a thunderstorm, it may rain today, or as there is a thunderstorm, it might rain today. As there are more chances of rain, the correct answer is as there is a thunderstorm, it may rain today. Then we learned the two ways in which may or might are used, along with the similarities and differences with examples. The ways are number 1, possibility, and number 2, permission. Then we learned one more way where may is used. May is also used to express a wish. Finally, I gave you an exercise to practice whose answers you will be giving me in the comment section. That's all in today's video. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Like, comment, share and subscribe in case you found the video helpful. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.